It's gonna be a quick video on assembly of this Brightroom 3-tier cart that we got from Target. It's the blue one. So just a quick video of how to put it together and what it looks like. So the blue cart's actually our second one. We got this the gray one about a month ago, and it's held up pretty good. We've had it outside for some of the kids' kind of water toys, so we like it so much we got a second one. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to put it together real quick. It's pretty easy, goes quick. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. It's basically these 4 pieces for the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3 baskets, 4 wheels. 2 of them have kind of locking casters on them so it doesn't roll away. And then just some hardware and little tools. And this is instructions. It's literally just 3 steps. You know, you put the frame together, screw in the baskets, and then add the wheels. So if you're thinking about buying this, you're not sure if you can put it together yourself, let me assure you that you can. It's very simple, as I will show here in a second. So step 1, we're just going to slide the 4 frame pieces together. So that's super easy. It's just got these little push buttons, so you really just slide it in and they clip in. You just need to make sure that you know, you do it the right way with these handles kind of winking out on either side. Step 2, we're going to use the little tools provided, the hex wrench and the screws, to basically just attach the baskets in. So these will slide in like that, 1, 2, 3. Then we'll just put the screws in, and 4 screws for each basket. So we'll do that next. There's the first one in. These are still kind of loose. You can see, you know, they're not tightened down all the way. So I'm gonna just kind of loosely put all these in first, the 3 ones, to make sure everything fits in okay. And then once they're all in, then I'll come back and tighten them down with the included hex key. So go ahead and add the other 2 now. Again, just kind of loosely bolting them in. Okay, I've got all 3 trays lightly bolted in. You can see I've got an extra 2 bolts that they gave us, so not gonna need these are just extra. But now that everything's in loosely, I'll go ahead and torque everything down and make sure it's nice and tight before moving on in step 3. All right, there it is, all tightened up. It's a lot sturdier now. Now the final step is just gonna be putting the wheels on the bottom. So again, there's 2 kind of free spinning wheels, and then there's 2 that have, I guess these are the 2 that have a little switch on them where you can lock them so that they won't roll, so you can keep it from rolling around on you. All right, so there's the wheels on. You can see the 2 on the left I was able to put on, and just, you grab them right here, you can spin that by hand, and just that part to screw it in. These 2 went on fine by hand. These 2 got kind of hung up halfway through, and so I had to get the wrench on them. But it comes with a little wrench. You just kind of, you know, grab it right there and torque it down until it gets flat, and that's it. That's the cart. So you can see they these are the locking wheels. So if you do that, it stops them from rolling. You know, locks the wheels, and then unlock it, and then the wheels spin again. So there's the cart. Like I said, we have one already. Really like it. It's been outside and it's held up really well in the Louisiana humid summer. So I got good paint on them. It hasn't rusted yet. It's only been a month, but it's held up well. This one we're gonna keep inside. You know, put some of the boys' stuff on, but overall we really like it. So again, if you're in the market for one, definitely recommend these carts from Target. and don't be afraid to assemble it yourself, because really easy to assemble. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.